we burn like fire, blazing through the night. Now we're only embers flickering out of sight. Your voice is just an echo lost inside my mind. I reach for you, but you're too far this time. All the promises we made turn to whispers in the rain. Can't hold on to what is gone. It's slipping through my hands again.